As the sun goes down on New Grange on this 14th of September, Feast of the Holy Cross, Rood Mass, as it would have been called in the Middle Ages. The Holy Rood, the name is found still in the expression rood screen, which the Anglicans have still preserved in quite a few old churches, reminding us that we pass by the cross to the Holy of Holies. It is accomplished. Until that moment, the whole of creation, the whole of mankind, all our ancestors, even the just, were still awaiting. And one can see how the Lord, at the moment of passing out of his body, would have gone down into the underworld and greeted Adam. It's an old homily which describes it. My Lord be with you. Adam was content to find hope, and he with the other just were able to come, and he was taken by the hand. They were able to go through the open gates to the now wide open paradise that Adam had forfeited, and what was lost by disobedience was restored by obedience. Christ was made for us, humble unto death, obedient unto death, death on a cross. Years ago in France, I came across a beautiful French hymn, which would be sung around this time of year. So I put it into the equivalent of English and also of Welsh. But here is the English. Hail glory, hail glorious tree, O cross thou hast set us free. Shine o'er the vast creation, illumine the starless night. Assemble every nation beneath thy radiant light. Hail glory, hail glorious tree, O cross thou hast set us free. O arms of consolation, reach out across all the years. Mankind's sole consolation, down time's dark chasm of tears. Hail glory, hail glorious tree, O cross thou hast set us free. O sweet, sweet little acorn, predestined for such a tree. The deathbed of life's firstborn, the seed of eternity. Hail glory, hail glorious tree, O cross thou hast set us free. Blessed wound thy blessed furrows, against my lips let me press. These prints felt my Lord's sorrows, to these was nailed love's caress. Hail glory, hail glorious tree, O cross thou hast set us free. Stand, O our constellation, await there on high. And then, sign of salvation, appear in our crumbling sky. Hail glory, hail glorious tree, O cross thou hast set us free. Sur le monde qui cherche la vérité, on croit source féconde d'amour et de liberté. Victoire, tu régneras, ô croix, tu nous sauveras. Redonne la vaillance aux pauvres et aux malheureux. C'est toi notre espérance qui nous mènera vers Dieu. Victoire, tu régneras, ô croix, tu nous sauveras. Tous nos frères à l'ombre de tes grands bras. Par toi, Dieu notre Père, au ciel nous accueillera. victoire, tu régneras, aux croix tu nous sauveras.